Hey YouTube, Garage Boys here, back at it again. Today I'm going to show you a really cool video. I have a 2010 Jeep Commander and I bought some stuff from Amazon. Some chrome for the door handles and the mirrors. I'm going to put it on and I'm going to show you how to do it, how it looks as well. And if you like it, you can buy it for yours or whatever. I'm going to have all the information in the description down below. Check the links if you want to buy it from Amazon or from wherever you want. But I just want to show you how it looks. Very nice, very cool. I'm just going to show you how it looks now, like a little before and after. So check this out. Okay, and now with some crazy medieval editing magic, now check this out. Okay guys, pretty cool, huh? Looks really nice, right? So installation is pretty easy for this stuff. You're gonna have a couple of this ones, just as you can see right now, and then one of them will have a keyhole. That's for the driver door, obviously. And you're gonna have a couple of this ones, which is for the door handle. You're gonna come here, very easy. You're gonna remove that 3M double-sided tape, which is a lot of it, as you can see. And then you're just gonna come and place it in on both sides, just like this, and then hold it in, push on this side, and then push a little bit on the other side. Hold it in for about 3 minutes or so in place, and then you can let go. After you do that, you can then do this part, this handle, and then do all four of the same. Very easy job and quick. It won't take you more than what, probably 20 minutes, 3 minutes per side, and then we can move on. For this installation, guys, it's the same process. Make sure everything is clean, same as the door handles. Maybe I didn't mention that, but make sure everything is clean. Some of these products will come with like an alcohol little prep pad where you can wipe it down, and then some glue. We're just gonna put glue just only where the 3M tape is. So see those lines, so somewhere around here. Make sure you don't put glue anywhere else, and then just same process. Just put them in there, take out the red tape, put them in there, and hold them for a couple of minutes. All right, guys. So there you have it. This is how it looks with the chrome. It's nice. I mean, it was $50. I think it was $25 for the handles and then $25 for the mirrors. $50 makes a big difference. $50 go a long way. And you put those chromes, you have some tinted windows. It looks nice. But I just want to show you guys that. If you're interested, check the link in the description. You can buy those on Amazon or wherever you want. And thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.